In this lesson, I will show you some more features of Power BI. So see again here we are under reports area and file view edit tab we had discussed in the last lessons. Here I am going to show you some new features. So the first one is enter full screen mode. If you will click on full screen mode, you can show the dashboard to your audience by using the full screen, right? So if you go back, so this is one option is click here and the other is just press the escape key. You will go back to the original dashboard or online services. So from here you can make your full screen. Second option is for notifications. If suppose you are going to update your dashboard, so you will get some notifications here, just like I had two notifications, so you have to check these notifications area as well. Next option is our settings options. If you will click here, there are a few options you have to play. Manage gateways, which I have showed you in the last lesson how to install the gateways. And here is the create content pack. I am going to show you this function here, how to create content pack and what is the meaning of this option. Here again you have to write down the email addresses to whom you want to share your dashboard or online services. Here title, if you want you can write down some descriptions here, and this one here you can upload image and the specification of the image is here. Size should be 45 KB or less than 4.3. so with the help of this upload button you can upload some picture here. And the last part is select items to publish, what information you want to send to your audience. If you will click on the dashboard projects details, so see the related the reports and data sets are related to dashboards, automatically these check marks will pop up here. If you want to send only report to your audience, if you will click on reports, so see reports and data sets are together, so by default here the check mark will pop up. And last is data set, so click on data set, only the data set the viewers or the audience can see. So dashboard is related to reports as well as data sets, while reports and data set these two are together, while data set is alone, right? And then again if you want to send all these three information, three sets data dashboards, reports and data sets to your audience, you have to click here. Automatically you can see that these are pop up, and then you have to click publish, right? And then is the download button. We had discussed download earlier as well. So data gateway, with the help of this data gateway you can download data gateway, Power BI desktop, Power BI for mobile, and then analyze in Excel updates report builder if you want to download. So this is the download options. Next is the help button. If you will click here you will see different options. If you want to learn more about the Power BI or online services, these are the help desk, you can say about Power BI, you can read it or you can get some help from here. This option is by feedback. If you want to give some feedback, you can write down your idea and whatever you want. If you have some issue, this is the feedback area. And the last one is for the sign out. Click here. If everything is done, just click here, and then in with the help of this you will get sign out. So simple it is. We have learned some other features. Now your job is to practice it. If you have any question you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.